This is how I get an idea from my imagination onto paper. Got this idea, and I've got this idea of two women on a bicycle and they're cycling along, and I'm trying to think how I'm going to get this onto paper. The key here is not to get caught up in detail. If you were to build a house, the last thing you do is build it just using the chimney pot, the windows and the doors, because it'd all come down. This is exactly the same thing with a drawing. I avoid the detail to the very end. So in my imagination, I've got this idea of these two women on a bicycle, and there's loads of decorative things all over the bike and they're whizzing along. At this stage, the thing to do, or the thing I do, is I work very gesturally. I lightly map in the pieces and erase a lot of things as I go, just to get it exactly as I imagine it. At this stage, I'm thinking about the balance and the gestural lines, and I'm thinking about the line of action. I'm really just trying to create the expression of my imagination. I'm not trying to put any detail down at all. When I get to this stage, what I do is I take a putty eraser, I roll it into a ball in my hands, and then I place it on the drawing and I roll it round gently and slowly remove the pencil so there's just the finest or faintest line left on the page. So now what I'm left with here is the structure of the drawing, and I can still see it, but it's really faint, so it allows me to put down or to start putting in the detail that I want in the drawing, and I know exactly where it goes. This is possibly one of the best stages of the drawing, because at this point you can start putting in detail, and I'm putting in the detail in bit by bit. I know exactly where it goes, but if anything's not quite in the right place, I still can erase the guideline drawing and change it and adjust it slightly. Here we are now, we've got the detail down, but there are still some of the guidelines showing in places. So what I need to do is I need to take those out. But there's an amazing tool for taking those out, and it's called an eraser shield. An eraser shield is a super thin piece of metal about the size and width of a credit card, and it's got all these little pieces cut out of it in different shapes, and you can place it on top of your drawing, and then you erase out things like the guidelines and take those out. Or if there's any details, like there might be a small detail like one of the eyes is not quite in the right place, or the nose, so you can erase that out and then redraw it in place. And that's how I get an idea from my imagination down onto paper. Now, the one in my imagination isn't perfect, and as I'm drawing it onto the paper I realise that, and I can make adjustments to that, but I make sure that the adjustments I make happen in the early stages, when it's just the kind of rough drawing before I put any detail in. This drawing won't be a perfect rendition of the one that you had in your imagination, but what you will have is something that's really close to that idea in your imagination, and that's just gold dust.